Hello YouTube, WJ's Handy Dad here, and today I'm going to show you how to put together a Bissell Hard Floor Expert Multi-Cyclonic Vacuum Cleaner. First step is to take the hose, plug this end into here. It says to line it up with the tabs. Press it in. And it says give it a slight twist to lock. However, that step seems to be incorrectly listed on the instructions because it just clicked in and locked into place. Opposite end of the hose connects into here. Locate these two pieces. This is going to be your bottom. See, that locks in it. This did take a slight, I don't know, a 32nd of a turn twist. I'm going to just barely to make that lock in. Then the opposite end is going to click into here. And you see that's already locked in without any kind of twist. Then you have your extra tool caddy, and that just snaps in on here. That's all that takes. You press this to open up that to be able to access your filter in there, and that, just make sure it locks back in. Then if you want to change floor attachments, just going to press that, which will allow that to slide off. And then line up the new one in the same orientation. You see that's locked in. So just press to release. And snap back on. Over here you've got a short pile or hard floor and carpet setting, and that's just going to affect the depth of the tool there. Another cool feature, you have the adjustable height on the hose, so you just pull that to adjust it. Pretty quick and easy. And then your attachments just fit in there.